Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out statistics on the 433 football application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, go to your home page and then scroll down to the matches section. And then click on the See All button in the right side of the screen. After that, tap on Stats at the top of the screen, which is the third section, and here you can find all of the information in terms of statistics. They are organized into distinct categories such as goals, assists, yellow cards, red cards. So here is this. Here are these. Four sections, as you can see. If you tap on a relevant one, you are going to find more information about the player, such as height, weight, birthday, country, also the top stats, and you can check out the championship too. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.